Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair vlog. I'm going to the salon, y'all. I'm gonna get my hair recolored, maybe cut. We got some things going on. I do want to say thank you to Wella for sponsoring this video because they're about to get me right. Because look at this. Look, it just, y'all can't even see it outside of the twist right now, but I'm really excited and you guys are going to get to see the color that I'm doing and everything. And I just love a hair transformation, and y'all know I couldn't stay away from color for long. So starting off with my hair freshly blow dried, I put my hair in twist. We're going to be re-dyeing my hair today, and yes, my hair did fade all the way from a red all the way to the champagne pink color.
I'm here with my girl Jalen, and we're going to refresh her hair color. You see she has roots. She has a lot of root actually. So this is probably about 6 months of root, huh? What would you say?
Probably a little over that. Actually,
longer than that?
Honestly. Probably
well,
like
she has a lot of roots, y'all. She said 8 months, I say about 6. Yeah, 6 to 8. Yeah. You wouldn't know though. But we're gonna refresh. Well, no, we're not refreshing her roots. Actually, she wants to keep her hair natural. She wants to kind of grow out her color. So as you guys can see, she has hair color on her mid shaft. What you mean red? To the ends. And it's, I think you had like red on here before, right?
Yeah, I had red.
Yeah, she had like a red color on her hair previously, and it has faded to like a pinkish color, which is normal. It's Wella Shinefinity 07 stroke 34. And this is our demi color line, zero lift, super shiny, go straight on, shampoo it out, shampoo, and she'll have super shiny hair that lasts like 6 to 12 weeks.
So right now he's just sectioning my hair and applying the product. This is a non-lift color, so he did not apply it to my roots because it will not lift my roots. It will just deposit color on top of your already pre-lightened hair. The reason I decided to go back ginger is because I did not like the way my roots were looking, and I do want to grow up my roots just to get to my full natural color. It's just a decision that I made, but I didn't like the way it looks with like pink or blonde. I needed something that was going to help me transition, and I was like, ginger is that girl. After applying the color, he just let it sit for about 20-30 minutes before it was time to rinse out. So after letting the color process, it's time to rinse it out. All we're gonna do is we're gonna shampoo, we're gonna condition, and then my favorite part, we're going to deep condition. Deep conditioning every time I wash my hair has been a game changer for my color treated hair. Keeps it so healthy and moisturized. We all know that getting a head massage while getting a shampoo is just undefeated. I shampoo my hair myself and it never feels this good. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what it is about having someone else do it, but I'm a fan. I can't believe I'm growing my color out.
So what makes you want to grow it out?
I haven't seen my natural hair color all the way since freshman year of college. Ooh la la. Yes, structure hair mask, y'all. I'll probably go back to color after, but I just want to embrace, you know, the natural hair color. It probably won't take me long after I grow it out. You know how you set a goal and you're like, this is what I want to do. You just want to see if you could do it. It's my challenge to myself as a person who has not had their natural hair color out since 2015. I want to see what it looks like. So right now we have a treatment mask in my hair. Keep the curls all healthy and vibrant. How long did you say we're gonna leave it in?
5 to 7 minutes.
Okay, about 5 to 7 minutes. We're gonna leave the deep treatment in. Just get my curls feeling good before I do this wash and go. That's what I think I'm gonna end with, a wash and go. This is exactly the color that I was going for. I even think it's gonna fade pretty, and that's when you know you really did something. It's like this vibrant orangey / ginger color. Y'all know that's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going in with the Wella Professionals Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. And y'all, this is the truth. If you dye your hair a lot, if you dye your hair at all, it keeps your hair healthy and strong, and it's so easy to use. Being consistent with the hair routine is not always the easiest, but with this, you don't have to rinse it out. So you apply it after you're done deep conditioning, or maybe use a conditioner, you rinse that completely out. Then you take the product and you just spray it all over your hair, run it through, leave it on for 90 seconds. After the 90 seconds, you don't rinse it out, and you just go in with like your leave-in, the next steps in your process. Whether you're doing a twist out, a wash and go, you're free to go after 90 seconds. Now that I let that sit, I'm just going in with my normal products. That's a leave-in, a light hold gel, and of course, a ton of water to keep my hair looking moisturized throughout the entire process. All I'm really doing is going in sections and raking the product through, and you can already see the curls start to appear. Also, when it comes to water, I feel like the base of a good wash and go is just a ton of water. If you think you have enough water, just add some more and then use some really, really moisturizing products. Look at those juicy curls, and the color, chef's kiss. I also feel like this color is exactly the color I want, and it's going to fade so beautifully as my roots start to come out. I felt like with the blonde, it wasn't going to do that. I remember when I had red hair for years, and I let my roots grow and it looked really good. So I'm like, the same thing should work for this orange color. So I'm really happy with my result. I feel like on the first day, my hair always looks tinier than normal, but I do want to disclaim that my hair will get bigger as the days go on. This is just first day hair, and if you know, you know. I'm back from the salon. I got this beautiful ginger color. I knew I was gonna go back ginger, and it's only right because I originally went ginger with Wella. It's only right for me to go back to ginger with Wella again. So I do just want to say thank you to Wella for sponsoring this video. Honestly, ginger is my favorite color I've ever done, but I do want to know, like, comment down below and let me know what color you thought I was going to do. Because I was going from like a faded, it used to be red, then it was pink. Did you think I was gonna go back ginger, or what did y'all think? Did you think I was gonna go back red? I just wanna know. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, watching me get my hair colored yet again, because I can't stay away. But I did keep my promise though. I did. I told you guys that I'd be growing out my roots, and I've kept true to that. I've been dyeing the crap out of everything else, but the roots, I've left them alone. So if you want to give me a round of applause, because I'm giving myself one, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.